Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns or noun phrases in a sentence. Here are the most common types of pronouns. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a word that we use instead of someone's name or a thing's name. This helps us avoid repeating the same words over and over again in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, John went to the store and bought a candy bar, we can say, he went to the store and bought a candy bar. The word he is personal pronoun. Other examples are she, they, and it. Possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a word used to show ownership or possession of something. For example, imagine you have a toy car. If you want to tell someone that the toy car belongs to you, you can use the possessive pronoun mine. So you might say, this toy car is mine. Other examples are yours, his, and theirs. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a type of pronoun that we use when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. For example, imagine you are playing a game with your friend. You might say, I hit myself with the ball. In this sentence, myself is a reflexive pronoun because it refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is I. Other examples are yourself, itself, and themselves. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a type of pronoun that helps us point out something specific. They can be used to show if something is near or far. There are 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. This and these are used to talk about things that are close to us. For example, this book is interesting, or these cookies are delicious. That and those are used to talk about things that are farther away from us. For example, that bird in the tree is singing, or those shoes are too big for me. Interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a special type of pronoun that is used to ask questions. They help us find out more information about something or someone. There are 5 main interrogative pronouns: who, whom, what, which, and whose. Who is used to ask about people. For example, who is coming to the party? Whom is also used to ask about people, but it is less commonly used than who. For example, whom did you give the book to? What is used to ask about things. For example, what is your favorite color? Which is used to ask about a specific item or choice. For example, which book do you want to read? Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership. For example, whose bike is this? Indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a type of pronoun that refers to something or someone in a general or unspecific way. They are used when we don't want to be specific about what we are talking about, or when we don't know the specific thing or person we are referring to. There are many indefinite pronouns, but some common ones include everyone, someone, anything, and nothing. Everyone refers to all the people in a group. For example, everyone in the class did well on the test. Someone refers to a person, but we don't know who specifically. For example, someone left their hat on the table. Anything refers to anything or object, but we don't know what specifically. For example, I'm hungry, is there anything to eat? Nothing refers to the absence of something or the lack of anything. For example, I looked in the fridge, but there was nothing to eat. Start smart, like and subscribe.